and hi to our beloved lecturer, Madam Tay Bee Hoong and fellow friends. We hope all of you are in the pink of health. My name is Nur Aisyah binti Muhammad Hatta. In this video, we are going to talk about reflection regarding this subject, FIN 534, Business Analytic and Financial Modeling. Without further ado, let's get started with the first question. The first question is what you have learned. Consequently, we have discovered that the subject of Introduction to Business Analytic and Financial Modeling is a schematic approach of processing data to make wise business judgment. By combining both qualitative and quantitative research to analyze the data, the process entails comprehending the nature of the data. However, it also involves using the right technology to get accurate and insightful output and presenting the fact. Next question is what are the takeaways? One thing that we have learned from this course is Tableau. Other than Excel, another effective tool for data visualization that is rising in popularity is Tableau. The reason for this is because Tableau enables analysts to analyze and visualize huge amount of data to produce useful business information. Users also have a variety of ways for importing their data into Tableau. Move on to the next question. What are the skills acquired from this class? Actually, we have learned a lot of new skills as an outcome of this assignment. First, we have learned how to display Microsoft Excel's fundamental capabilities, including logical function, database looking routines, and many more. Descriptive statistics are another skills that we managed to pick up, and they are crucial for our business since we want our organization to make a better business decision and get better performance outcome. Next is we gotta learn how to conduct a hypothesis test to see if the sample supported the assertion or not. Last but not least, this task taught us how to use predictive analysis to foretell the future. And with that, I wrap up my part. I pass the screen to the next presenter, which is Hani Shafira Nafisa binti Azuni.
Thank you, Nurul Aisyah binti Muhammad Hatta. My name is Hani Shafira Nafisa binti Azuni, and I will continue with the next question. Okay, the question is about will we be using this skill in future? Yes, of course. For us, it is very useful and will definitely be used in the future, especially when we have entered the world of work. With this skill that we acquire, it is easy for us to get used to computer programs, which is Microsoft Excel, since we have learned about it. The next question is regarding the benefits that we acquire from class Business Analytics and Financial Modeling. So, not gonna lie, there is a lot of useful knowledge and various new knowledge that we gain while studying this course. Among them are, it is easier for us in the making of graphics according to specific data, mathematical calculation used to find data, data management that is managing statistical database, finding the middle value, and finding the maximum and minimum value of data, and so on. In fact, it also makes it easier for us to fill in and organize all the large-scale data. Next is how we find working in a team. Okay, to make it short, this group is really important for the spirit of cooperation, ready to help when one of us has difficulty in understanding something, and the most important is that the commitment given to each individual is very good and tip-top. How do we gather all the information? In this sophisticated world, various platforms can be used for us in ensuring that the information is received. For instance, we will share all the documents via WhatsApp and Telegram. However, we will use Google Meeting to make a small meeting and Google Document to compile all the information online. So, I will pass to the next presenter, which is Amirul Danish Iman bin Nasirun, to continue with the next part.
Thank you, Hani Shafira Nafisa binti Azuni. My name is Amirul Danish Iman bin Nasirun, and I will continue with the next question. Now, for the question, how do we like best about the learning? The thing we like best about the learning is the subject involves hands-on skills, as the learning is being done using the Microsoft Excel. Thus, every class is not boring as the activities in the class are useful and it has given us a lot of new knowledge regarding the Microsoft Excel features. The next question is regarding the difficulties that we have been facing in the learning. For our opinion, the difficulty is to understand the terms being used in the learning, which is something that is not too familiar for us. Thus, it is difficult for us to apply what we have learned in the theoretical part. The next question is if there is any suggestion for improvement for the learning. Our suggestion is to create a short video on how to use the Microsoft Excel for every chapter that requires us to use the software, as it will make it easier for us to understand, and it also consumes less time for us to understand and apply on the practical learning. To conclude, business analytics and financial modeling is a crucial subject, as the subject has given us so much new and useful exposure which can be applied by us in the future and in the working life, as we all know that using Microsoft Excel is something that we need to be familiar with from now on. Thus, we had so much fun learning this subject, as it is a different experience compared to the other subjects. That's all from us. Thank you.